Hey you guys, and welcome back to another braid tutorial. So today we'll be doing some Senegalese twist over some locks. Yes, I said locks. So let's jump right into the style. So today my client requested some Senegalese twist over her locks. So we blended up a two-tone customized color for her. The colors that we used was 530 and orange ginger. We did a customized blend of these two colors. I have attached the link for the video in the bio, and you will also be able to check this video out as well at the end of this video with the customized blend. So getting into the style, I'm just pre-parting her hair before I install the Senegalese twist. So my client has beginner locks. Some have locked and some have not. So around the edges, we were able to use her standard hair to create that actual Senegalese twist. But when we get closer to the top, you'll see that we're going to start working more with the lock instead of her hair. While you're watching, please make sure to subscribe, like, and subscribe. So we've completed our first row. Now we're going to work our way to the second one. We're going to create our parts to get our boxes measured out, and then we're going to start our second row. Anyone that has worked with locks before knows that you do not disturb the parting that's already pre-parted. You simply just go in to re-clean the parting, but do not disturb the parting that was already pre-made. Because like I stated before, my client does have starter locks, and I do want her to still have healthy locks after we twist these locks in the braid. So a key tip to doing styles over locks is to make sure that you know how to cover that lock and know how much hair to use to cover that lock. So when you're intertwining it with a braid or a twist, that it is tucking that lock as well as styling it. Another key thing that you need to know about putting braids over locks, it really depends on the size and structure of the locks, which determines what a client can receive as far as a style. Smaller locks are normally able to be covered. That's pertaining to wigs, braids, twists, lock extensions, all of that. The bulkier the lock, the more harder it may be to hide it. we have reached the top, and as you guys can see, we are now working with full locks. We had a couple on the row underneath, but these are a bit bigger. We're winding down to the end of the style, just making sure all of those locks that's in the front are lubricated with the strands so we can make sure that they're interlocked with the twist properly. These two at the top are not fully set locks, so there actually was her natural hair, so we were able to create the actual twist with the hair. All right, we are all done styling. My client requested a curl on the end of her twist, so we are in the process of rodding these babies and getting them in the hot water so it can give her that curl look. Our finished look, what do you guys think? Senegalese Twist over Locs with a customized color blend that is good for the fall. I think it's good for any season, but she wanted it for the fall, and I think it came out very pretty. And it did. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. As always, I appreciate your support all the time. Please make sure to follow, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.